Hi, Kelly Cote here. Today I wanted to show you how you can make a quick and easy open house sign-in sheet inside of Command. So you're going to log in using Chrome in an incognito mode, go to agent.kw.com, and this here is your home screen. From the home screen, we're going to go down to landing pages. Landing pages is where you can access your agent website, all of your individual IDX sites for your neighborhood pages, as well as make new standalone pages, which is what we're going to do. So up in the top right-hand corner, click on Create a New Site, and we're going to make a standalone page that's not attached to your Keller Williams agent website. So click As a Standalone Page, Create Page, and I find it works if I start building my website from the bottom up. So I always want to have a legal footer at the bottom of any website that I make. Above that, I'm going to do a market snap on the neighborhood. I am then going to do a lead form. And that's it. I'm going to leave it as it is right there. If you wanted, you could certainly bring in some agent branding onto the page. If you ever bring in something, a widget that you don't like, you just click on it and then you can click the delete button on here. So I've got this set up the way I want it. I'm just going to click Configure Widgets in the bottom right-hand corner. So I'm on the lead form. I can change instead of interested to let's talk to say, please sign in. I'm going to click this arrow to go to the next widget. And on the header, I am going to say Santa Teresa neighborhood, zip code 95119. I'm going to go to save and apply. I'm now going to go to my third widget, and I'm just going to check through here. And oh, look at that. I know that I need to add https://. So that's my Facebook page. Coming down here. I'm going to update my DBA logo. It looks like the one that I have on here is probably a JPEG instead of a PNG. So I'm going to delete this and add a new one, going to my computer, and I'm going to bring in a PNG file. And I'm going to now click. I'm going to add in some hyphens inside my phone number and add in a brokerage license number. I'm going to click Save and Apply. And I'm going to save my landing page. Up in the top left-hand corner is the title. I'm going to call this Sign In Plus Snap. I'm going to save my landing page as a draft. And now it's going to show up here on this list of all of the pages that I've created. And you can see that the just listed Sign In Snap is still as a draft phase right here. So I can go over if I want to click Edit, and I'm going to click Publish Page up in the top right-hand corner, and yes, I'm going to make it visible to others. Page was successfully updated, and if I click on it now, here we go. This is a website that I've now created that I can use at any open house or even as a splash page or a landing page for Facebook ads for people to sign in, learn about the Santa Teresa neighborhood, and down at the bottom, legal footer. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to talk to you later.